The Don coughed blood. His finger trembled, pointing to a name. It was his last chance for freedom. He found her in the factory. Not ghost, but girl. Ancient symbols glowed, a curse. A shotgun blast. Crew turned. Boss's orders, but the boss was dead. He fought his brothers. Their eyes empty, controlled. The city will burn. It started with him. The puppet master emerged. A shadowy monster, feeding fear. It recognized him. The monster smiled. Your bloodline, it hissed. His family's secret. But more was coming. Girl lunged, eyes crimson. Purify him, she snarled. Protecting the monster. From what? Monster raised hand. Shadows enveloped city, screaming. Final sacrifice next. Voice echoed, your blood, my son. Father appeared. Monster's servant. But the sacrifice wasn't his. Monster pointed its claw. Not father. Not girl. At the baby. His own baby. And the world went silent.